Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can add the filters and effects to your video in Capcut apps. So after you open the Capcut apps, you can tap on your project to make a new project. And for example, I'm going to open my project, and there is a video here. And to add the filters, it's so simple. You can select the filters, select filters, and appears filters available here, and you can use it. For example, select this one, and you can adjust for the opacity. Just click check mark, and then if you want to add effect, you can select effect, and select video effect, body effect, and photo effect. For example, I'm going to add the video effect, and then select effect that you want to add to your video. For example, select marks. You can adjust for the duration of the effect, and you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.